Start with the finished picture. This Meetily setup is not another vague AI tools list. The outcome is a practical workflow someone can copy. The hook is simple: transcript, summary, action items, and local model support without sending every meeting to a SaaS note-taker. In this video, I am going source first, then setup first. I will show what the stack is supposed to do, which official pages support it, what commands matter, and where the honest limits are. The promise is simple: if this belongs in your local AI workflow, you will know by the end without pretending the hard parts are magic. The finished result is a meeting record you can actually use: transcript, summary, decisions, and action items. The privacy hook is that local model support can keep sensitive conversations closer to the machine. Meeting notes are a privacy problem. Otter, Fireflies, and similar tools are useful, but many teams do not want sensitive meetings leaving their machine. The reason this beat matters is that the viewer needs a mental model before the commands. For Meetily, the setup is only useful if you understand what each layer owns, what output proves success, and what failure looks like. That is why the video keeps coming back to source pages, repo facts, and a visible workflow instead of just racing through install commands. Meeting assistants solve a painful problem, but they also collect some of the most sensitive data a team has. That is why the local angle matters more here than it does for a generic note app. Before touching the setup, I checked the official sources. Zaccharia Solutions/Meetily has 11,487 GitHub stars and license MIT. The sources used for this video are the GitHub repos, the official site or docs, and the runtime pages linked in the description. This matters because YouTube setup videos often repeat stale commands or marketing claims. I am treating GitHub facts, docs commands, and documented provider support as the proof layer, not random blog summaries. The Meetily README calls out privacy-first positioning and flexible AI provider support, including Ollama and OpenAI-compatible endpoints. That is enough to build a source-grounded setup video around local meeting notes. Here is the setup path I would actually follow. The important commands are: pnpm install, choose Ollama or OpenAI-compatible provider, record or import meeting audio, generate transcript, summary, and action items. Do not read this as a magic paste block. Read it as the sequence. First, create the environment. Then install the tool. Then run the smallest possible proof. Only after that do you scale up to real data, real documents, or a real model workflow. The setup path should be tested with a short meeting or audio file first. Do not start with a 1-hour call. Use a small sample where you already know the speakers, decisions, and action items. Judge transcript and action items separately. A pretty summary is not enough. Check speaker names, tasks, deadlines, and whether the transcript is searchable. The reason this beat matters is that the viewer needs a mental model before the commands. For Meetily, the setup is only useful if you understand what each layer owns, what output proves success, and what failure looks like. That is why the video keeps coming back to source pages, repo facts, and a visible workflow instead of just racing through install commands. Judge transcript quality and summary quality separately. A summary can sound polished while missing a decision. A transcript can be searchable while still needing speaker cleanup. Both checks matter. Ollama changes the privacy story. Local summaries reduce exposure, while cloud providers can remain an optional fallback. The reason this beat matters is that the viewer needs a mental model before the commands. For Meetily, the setup is only useful if you understand what each layer owns, what output proves success, and what failure looks like. That is why the video keeps coming back to source pages, repo facts, and a visible workflow instead of just racing through install commands. Ollama changes the privacy story because summaries can run locally. Cloud providers can still be useful, but they should be a conscious choice, not the default assumption. The trap with Meetily is overclaiming. Bad microphones, overlapping speakers, accents, and noisy rooms can break any transcription system. A clean demo can still fail in production if the input data is bad, the hardware is too weak, the model license is wrong, or the output is not evaluated. So the honest rule is: prove the path with a small example, keep the proof visible, then decide if the workflow deserves more time. Audio quality is the ugly truth. Bad microphones, overlapping speakers, and background noise can break even a good transcription pipeline. The video should show that constraint instead of pretending software fixes every room. The verdict: Meetily gives TechWealth a privacy cost hook outside the crowded coding agent lane. This is a strong TechWealth topic because it solves a real workflow problem, not just a curiosity problem. If you want the fastest useful takeaway, build the smallest version first, verify the output, then decide whether to deepen the setup. The sources are linked below, and the next video in this batch keeps the same standard: source checked, setup first, no fake proof. This is the best category diversification of the slate. It is still local AI, still practical, but it reaches a viewer who cares about meetings, privacy, and cost, not just coding tools.